Hello students, welcome to Python Essentials 101. My name is Susanna Mollican and I'm a Python Android developer. Python is a high-level human-readable programming language that is processed by the Python interpreter to produce results. You probably are wondering, what are you going to be learning in this course? The most important thing that you should know about this course is that you're going to be learning by doing. Along the course, you're going to be able to create your own little programs starting right in Module 1. We're going to start by discussing what is Python, what is it used for, and you will also discover what kind of computer you need to write the programs, how to find and install Python, of course, and all the tools that you will need to use and build your code. You will also have many interactions with the Python shell. Pretty much every module will be at least 4 to 5 exercises in which you can discover how to program and how to put everything that you learn in every module to use. Things that are covered on this beginner's course, and we're going to assume that you have never coded before, are meeting the interpreter, writing your first program, employing variables, obtaining user input and correcting errors. We're also going to be doing calculations, loops, and we're going to be talking about logic, casting data types and how to manipulate bits. On Module 3 and 4, we're going to start already by learning how to write lists, manipulating lists. We're going to talking about branching and looping, understanding functions and variables, how to do callbacks, and manipulating strings. And then we'll be talking about different types of objects. If you have never programmed before, Python is an amazing tool, an amazing programming language, because it is easier for beginner coders. We teach you everything from the typical hello program to how to create dictionaries and libraries. As you learn later on, Python includes a comprehensive standard library of tested code modules that can be incorporated in your own programs. Since Python is an open source code, that means that anyone that wants to go through the process of submitting code to the organization Python can do so. The Python language was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989. And this happened in the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. As you will see later, Python is derived from many other languages. And the idea to create this language came in because he was a fan of Monty Python. If you have studied JavaScript or other languages such as C# or C++, Unix shell, and others, it will be much easier for you, of course. But we're assuming on this course that you have never taken programming or done any coding before. The main role of the Python language is readability, which makes it easier for beginner coders. So you know you're in great hands. I wanted to share with you some of my background. These are some of the organizations that I have worked for. I have many certifications in data science, Python, SQL, and other programming languages, in addition to have been a Google Scholar in the year 2018. how to build a place to work with Python. What you're going to need to be able to work with Python is so easy. The only thing you need is a PC or monitor and a keyboard. At least I would recommend that you have an i5 or equivalent processor, as sometimes the programs might require a lot of memory because you're going to be using Python, which is a free program that you're going to download from python.org. It will be good if you have 4 gigs of memory and 256 gigs or gigabytes of hard drive space. When we installing the operating systems, I'm going to be going through the instructions for both the Windows system and also the Mac OS or Linux system. However, I will be mainly using Windows 10 in my system. Python key features. Well, Python is free and it's very easy to learn. It's also easy to read and maintain, and Python has large standard library. They even have a tutorial in which you'll be doing some research on to learn more about Python. I will always recommend that in addition to the course, that every day you devote at least an hour or 30 minutes, whatever time you can, to read through the tutorial in the library. That way you get familiar with the terms. Python is interactive, and if you're a person that likes puzzles and challenges, Python will be fun for you. Python is portable and is interpret and is very high level, is extensible. That means that Python can be used for so many different applications, and also that you can get much more skill and higher level as you go learning more and more. I have taken many courses on Python and have programmed in Python, and I can tell you there's always something new to learn. Python is also very versatile and flexible. There were 2 main different versions out there, but in this course we're going to be learning and using Python 3. I hope that you got a little bit of information to get you started. I'll see you in the course. If you're a creative person or a person that has never coded before and want to learn, or even a person that wants to go into data analysis, but you don't want to pick a course that has extremely heavy on the jargon that you don't understand, this course is for you. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the course.